Hello guys, welcome you all for this end-to-end session of AIML where you guys gonna learn everything that you guys need in order to become a successful data scientist. Hope you guys are enjoying. We are enjoying a lot. So hope the same thing for you guys. If you guys have any doubts related to the data science or anything till now which we have thought, please free to just ping in the comment section. We will take up and we will solve your doubts. So that's the thing, guys. So hope everything is going good. Okay, if you guys are feeling any difficulties or anything that is not understand by you, just don't hesitate, just ping in the comment section, we'll take up and we'll solve your doubts. Okay, so yeah guys, today is going to be introduction to q learning. Guys, I hope like we are learning about a interesting topic, that is reinforcement learning. It's a gamified learning kind of thing. Okay, so we are learning that. So today we're going to see one more nuances in the reinforcement learning technique, that is q learning. Okay, so it's one of the topic which comes under reinforcement learning. And one more thing, guys, as always, make sure you guys watch all the previous session videos before coming to this video, because like you can have a better understanding of what we are talking and also the continuation. Okay, yeah. Introduction to q learning. Let us jump into it. Okay, so a q learning is a powerful reinforcement learning algorithm that enables agent to learn optimal policies for interacting with the complex environment. It works by estimating the expected future rewards for getting specific actions, for taking specific action in different states. Okay, we are saying that we are having an example of Super Mario, right? Let's have the same example. Okay, so Super Mario has three different actions, right? It can jump left and right. That's it. Okay, what kind of action it will do so that it can move to the next step and it can increase the reward? Calculation of this thing is done by using q learning. So the learning of the agent in the environment is done by using q learning. Let's have this context. And in simple words, for a Super Mario game, the agent Mario learns from the environment through a process called as q learning. That is, what kind of direction it need to move, whether left, right, or up, so that its reward can be increased. That is called as q learning for the Super Mario character. Hope you guys are able to understand, right? So yes, over to you.
Yeah, guys. So, introduction to Q learning. So, if you have come to this session, so go watch all the sessions 5 to 10 times and subscribe to our channels. Also, press the bell icon so that you will get notification for each session. Also, have patience, persistency, consistency, and perseverance, and have a long-term objective function and become a lifelong learner. So keep learning deeply. So do reinforcement learning, absorb the information, digest and apply. Do all the quizzes, 1,000+ quizzes live, and do all the assignments and projects. So keep learning deeply. So now let's go to Q learning is a powerful reinforcement learning algorithm that enables agents to learn optimal policies for interacting with complex environments. So it works by estimating the expected future rewards for taking specific actions in different states. That's what is actually Q learning use. It's a reinforcement learning algorithm which enables to learn optimal policies for interacting with complex environments. So whenever you have complex environments, and you can use like q learning algorithm, and it enables agent to learn optimal policies. So when you have these features, whenever you see in your problem statement objective function, and you have to use q learning. So let's go deep into understanding q learning. So let's go to the other session.
Yeah, sure, sir. Let's move on. Okay, what we are doing. Okay, what are the fundamentals of reinforcement learning, guys? We are just going again. Okay, if you guys watched all the previous sessions, then it's gonna be very easy. Let us see the fundamentals. Agents, environments, rewards, and policy. What is an agent? Agent is a learning entity interacting with the environment. What is the environment? The environment is the external world that the agent act with. What is the reward? The agent receives towards for taking actions that leads to the desired outcomes. Policy, a policy defines how the agent chooses the action based on its current state. Okay, I hope like everybody knows each and every term. Let me explain again by using same Super Mario game. Okay, what is the agent in Super Mario game? The Super Mario character is the agent. Entire game world is called as an environment, and the reward or whenever it performs the action, right? Jump left, right. it's gonna break the brick. So if it is a coin, it's gonna be positive reward. If it is a tortoise, it's gonna be negative reward, because if it falls on the character of Super Mario, its life will be reduced, right? So that is what called as rewards. Okay, positive and negative rewards. Policy. So it is like a how the agent chooses the action based on its currency. So it is in the current state. How it chooses whether it need to go left, right, or up, that is called as policy. This is what the set of rules that you need to follow so that you can move left, right, or up without damaging your life. So this is everything about the fundamentals of reinforcement learning. Simple. We are having agent, we are having environment, rewards, policy. That's it. Okay. So yeah, sir, over to you. Yeah, sir. Anything you want to update, sir? Okay, I hope like nothing is there. Okay, so these are the fundamentals. So we have already learned about this, the fundamentals of reinforcement learning. Let's move on to the next thing. Okay, so what are the things that we are having? Yeah, q learning algorithm. I hope like you guys gonna enjoy this, guys. I just promise you. Okay, so what is meant by the q learning algorithm? Initialization. Okay, that's a q table. Okay, it's initialized with the random values representing the expected rewards. That's it. So we're gonna have lots of state, right? In the Super Mario game itself, we're gonna have lots of episodes. So there are gonna be lots of states. So these states will be initialized to some random values using q table for q learning. Exploration. The agent explores the world by taking random actions to learn about different states and rewards. From the current state, agents try to explore all the different states that are available. So that is called as exploration. Exploitation. An agent exploits its knowledge by selecting actions based on the highest estimated rewards in the queue table. So what is my exploitation? Even though it explores lots of ways in the second step, it tries to exploit a single step based on the rewards that it's gonna get. That is by maximizing its reward. What step it need to do so that it can maximize the reward. Next, update. The queue table is updated using the Bellman equation to reflect the agent's learning experience. That is putting in a simple manner. So for this instance, I need to go to right. So for this instance, I am just exploring what are the ways that a Super Mario game, Super Mario character can move. Left, right, up. That's it. What is exploitation? This is called as exploration. Left, right, up is the exploration. What is exploitation? So based on the uh, outcome or a reward, maximizing the reward, the exploitation is right side. If you move right side, you're gonna get the more reward. What is meant by update? So it's finally we're gonna update this Q table by using Bellman equation. Don't worry about the technical term. It's like a simple max. Okay, you just gonna update the Q value. That's it, reflecting the agent's learning experience. That's it. Okay. So hope you guys have understand this. This is the fundamentals of Q learning algorithm. We need to initialize the character. We need to explore with the character. We need to exploit with the character. Finally, we need to update the Q table so that Q table will be refined each and every time. Okay. So yeah, yeah, sir. Over to you. Is there anything that you need to add, sir?
Yeah. So
Sure.
the Q learning algorithm, guys, there are these steps. So first step is initialization. We have to the Q table is initialized with the random variable representing expected rewards. So then we have exploration. The agent explores the environment by taking random actions to learn about different states and rewards. Okay. Then we have exploration. So the agent exploits the knowledge by selecting the actions based on the highest estimated reward in the queue table. Then we have update. The queue table is updated using the Bellman equation to reflect the agent's learning experience. So these are four important elements, okay, for queue learning algorithm. Okay, so this helps us to understand queue learning in a meta level. So let's go to the other section.
Yeah, sure, sir. Let's move on to the next thing. Okay. Yeah, what is the difference between exploration and exploration? We have already seen. Okay, I hope like now you guys can understand. What is exploration? Taking random action to discover new states and potential rewards. Exploitation, choosing action based on the highest expected reward from the Q table. Balance. Finding the right balance between the exploration and exploitation is crucial for maximizing the long-term rewards. I hope like you guys can able to understand. So based on the game that I'm explaining, right, Super Mario game, character will able to explore what are the states that it can move, left, right, up. Okay, then that is called as exploration. What is my exploitation? What step I can take so that my reward will be maximum. So whether it is right, left, or jump, this is called as exploitation. Balance. So for this game we need to win and we need to get automated and we need to make progress, okay, in a manner of winning every time. We need to balance this both exploration and exploitation, okay, such that for maximizing the long term rewards. Okay, so if you are exploring properly and exploiting the properly, then you're gonna get the maximum reward each and every time. So that is what about the difference between the exploration and exploitation. So yeah, sir, over to you. Is there anything that you need to update, sir? Okay. Yeah, I think that is nothing. Okay, because like it's the same thing. Okay, so guys, today we have introduced you something called as q learning, so from which you guys learned how to update how an agent is working, right? Q learning is a process how an agent learns. Okay, then we have explored a basic of reinforcement learning again, and we have explored how a Q learning works. Okay, right? We have seen about how to initiate it, how to exploration, exploitation, and finally we have seen something like we just iterate the thing. So like those things we have seen. Okay, yeah. Today will be a starting point of how this reinforcement learning works with Q learning. Let us continue this session in next one so that you can get a better extended version of what is a QLAN. Okay, so we'll pass here and let us connect in next session. Until next session, bye guys, take care, have a learning each and every day. And if you guys are feeling any difficulty, just ping in the comment section, we'll take up and we'll solve your doubts. And one more thing guys, if you guys doesn't subscribe to our channel till this point, please make sure you guys subscribe to our channel, because like every day we are just uploading a new video, so that when you subscribe and hit the notification button, right, else hit the bell icon, so you will be getting each and every day notification so that you will not miss any of our videos. Okay, so yeah guys, until next session, bye, take care, we will all meet in the next session. Bye guys.